Hey, this is Matt Stiefel, board chair of the Arts Hancock County, and I am going to show y'all what we're doing with the grant money for the Operation Roundup. So, if you look at the Arts building now, this is the nighttime view. You'll see all the electrical and the lights put in. You'll see the live oak, this gorgeous live oak lit up. And this is the first phase of landscaping and the beginnings of our sculpture garden. And thank you so much for your generous $10,000 that is going to help make this a reality. So thank you, Coastal Electric and Operation Roundup. And Merry Christmas.